Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll open Settings and go straight to Update and Security, then Recovery, so you can trigger WinRe. Once there, click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. This reboots into the recovery environment. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account and that any critical files are backed up first. You're starting the process immediately. Don't linger on desktop cleanup. The goal here is to reach the Recovery Options screen where you can choose Troubleshoot, System Restore, or Command Prompt Tools. You'll choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options to see System Restore, Startup Repair, and Command Prompt. Try Startup Repair to fix boot issues automatically. If that fails, run System Restore to revert to a known good state. Once done, use Command Prompt for targeted repairs. Run sfc/scano to fix system files and chkdsk to repair disk errors. Make sure to note error messages, those guide next steps. These tools work together. Use the automated option. You'll restart to exit WinRe after repairs and verify Windows boots normally. If boot problems persist, return to Command Prompt and run bootrec commands. Fixember, fixboot, and rebuild to repair boot records. Once done, restart again and test. If issues continue, use Reset This PC. Choose Keep My Files for less impact or remove everything for a clean reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: if a command fails, write down any exact error text and try Safe Mode or a Recovery USB for offline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.